everybody, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about the present perfect tense. One of the most complicated because there is not always a direct translation in other languages. So let's get started. The present perfect tense is an English verb tense used for past actions that are related to the present. The action in the past has a result now. We use have or has plus the past participle form of the main verb. What is the past participle? For regular verbs, we add ed. I have studied. You have studied. She has studied. We have studied. You have studied. They have studied. For irregular verbs, we change from the root. Make sure that you know the list of irregular verbs. Be, was, were, been. Here, been is the past participle form of the main verb. I have been. You have been. She has been. Break, broke, broken. I have broken the window. You have broken the window. She has broken the window. When we say I have broken the window, it means I broke it in the past. But we don't say the specific time. But we can see the result. We can see the broken window. Come, came, come. I have come. It means I am here at the moment. You can see me. But we don't say the specific time. I came in the past, but the result is now. You can see me. Buy, bought, bought. I have bought a new car. You can see my new car. I bought it in the past, but you can see it. Maybe I bought it last year, last week, but we don't say the specific time. You can also say I've done, you've done, she's done, we've done, they've done. When asking a question in the present perfect tense, the auxiliary verb comes first. We say have, has, plus subject, plus past participle. Have you done? Has she done? In negative, we say I have not done. You have not done. She has not done. Avoid contractions when using the present perfect tense with a negative, at least in American English. I've not done. It's not correct. She's not done. It's not correct. When we use the present perfect tense, there is always a connection with now. The present perfect tense emphasizes the effects or consequences of the action. I have finished my work. It means I am free now. I have washed up the dishes. You can see that the dishes are clean. I have hurt my arm while running. It has swollen. You can also place the adverbs just, already between have, has and the past participle. I have just finished my work. I have already washed up the dishes. Just means a short time ago. I have just come. We use already to say that the action happened sooner than expected. I have already come. We use the negative form to show that the action is still unfinished, and we often use the adverb yet. I have not finished my work yet. It means I am still working. The baby has not awoken yet. She is still sleeping. Yet usually comes at the end of the sentence. Yet means until now and shows that the speaker is expecting something to happen. We use yet only in questions and in negative sentences. Has it stopped raining yet? It has not stopped raining yet. It means it is still raining. Don't use the present perfect tense with a specific time. She has come on Monday. She has come in the morning. She has come at 3 o'clock. These are not correct because we shouldn't say a specific time with the present perfect tense. When the same action has happened a few times already, you can use the present perfect tense if the action will likely happen again in the future. I have seen this movie 6 times. Maybe I will see it again in the future. I have been to America 2 times. Maybe I will go there again. In this case, we can use the adverbs once, twice, 2 times, 6 times, many times. I have been abroad many times. Who knows, maybe I will go abroad again. We use the present perfect tense when an action was completed very recently, or when we talk about a period that continues until now. In this case, we can use the adverbs so far, in the last few days, recently, lately, for, since. For example, I haven't seen him in the last few days. I haven't had any problems with him so far. It hasn't rained recently or lately. For means a period of time. I have known him for 2 years. But since means the start of a period. I have known him since I was 6. We use the present perfect with today, this year, this week, this morning, and so on, when these periods are not finished at the time of speaking. For example, I haven't seen him today. Maybe I will see him before today is finished. I have met new people this week. Have you had a holiday this year? We also use the present perfect tense when we say it's the first time, it's the second time, and you should know the structure. It's the first time something has happened. It's the first time I have ridden a horse. I have never ridden a horse before. It's the second time I have lost my way. It's the fourth time I have found him this evening. We also use the adverbs ever and never with the present perfect tense. Have you ever been abroad? I have never been abroad. Have you ever eaten such a cake? Have you ever tried to learn a foreign language? I have never tried to learn a foreign language. Don't make a mistake when you say I have been. If you say I have been in America, it's not correct. You should use the preposition to after being. I have been to America. You have been to America. Pay attention, when we say she has been to America, it means she has been there in her life. But now, at the moment, she is not in America. But when we say she has gone to America, it means she's in America at the moment. My brother has been to Japan, but at the moment he's not there. But my brother has gone to Japan. He is in Japan. He is working there. Have you ever been abroad? Have you learned new English words this year? Write your answers in the comments and let me know. I hope to see you again. See you!